It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and woman, you are our priority. How often do you do your breast exam or have your mammogram done? Remember, early detection saves lives. So, put aside the powder, oils, myths, and stories about treating breast cancer because we have a doctor, Satideh Mawnin, Dr. Renee Clarke, a certified family nurse practitioner of Dykal Health and Wellness, ready to inform and educate you on the importance of taking preventative measures and self-care. At Satideh Mawnin Runnings, come, make we talk.